what I do in this game.
I'm new to it too.
Okay.
I'm gonna talk in a British accent.
Oh.
Better, baby.
Get it, girl. Slay.
girl.
Slay. Period queen. It's Prime. They got Luxembourg here. Luxembourg. Look, it's Luxembourg.
Oh,
it's Luxembourg.
no, that's an fine different.
What the fuck is that noise?
Just come on, stop being a pussy.
Fuck up.
Stop being a pussy. Come on, come here right now.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Come here. Why are you so? It's up. Okay, come in here.
Fuck you.
That.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Curse you. Fucking.
Come on. I came up here.
No.
So this is a horror game. Did I mention that for you?
Yeah, you fucking think.
We got some beans, some eggs, you know, the British cuisine. We got some tea on the side. Get your ass in here, fucker. Get your ass in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Luxembourg.
I don't know what that is. Doing my business.
Something moaning.
I'm doing my business. Shut up.
Something is moaning.
So scared, bro.
And it's just my dog snoring.
Why? What? I just love music and I got music off. Where are we? Okay, I guess this is the dead end or something.
Fuck. Where are you?
Whoa.
Rah!
We're here. Let's go in there. I want to go in that red room.
Oh, fuck you.
Come on.
Where?
Come on.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, cuz you, fuck you.
I don't. Get your ass back here. Get your ass back here. They were like static. It wasn't something. They were like stuck or
I
something.
told you something was moaning.
Hold on, I gotta fix my controller.
Oh. Hurry up.
Are they running?
I don't know. Hurry up.
I'm fixing my controller, bro.
Hurry up.
Stop being a baby. Throw some balls.
Let's go. Fuck! They died.
I would not recommend touching them.
Why not?
I died.
I just saw you explode. What the fuck was that?
I'm coming back up there. Nope, I guess I'm going down.
Please hurry up, please hurry up. Please. I'm running out of here.
I'm hurrying up.
Hurry
Why are
up.
you such a bitch?
Shut the fuck up. I don't like horror games.
I'm trying to hurry up. Just die. No, don't die, because you'll piss your pants.
Shut the fuck up. No, I won't. I'll probably scream.
I'm trying to find the elevator we took, but I can't find it.
I found the way out. Yes. I found Luxembourg. Please, I found it. I'm holding the perimeter down.
Okay. But are you by the elevator?
No. What? I'm coming down here. I'm coming to get you.
What is that?
I'm here. I'm gonna fight.
Why'd you scream like that, you pussy?
Shut the fuck up. How are you down there again?
I fell.
Retard. You're more retarded than I am. That's hard. Do you know what else is hard? The Scary Toilet. New episode.
Okay, I'm up here. What's up? I had to climb up.
Let's go.
Meow. Meow. Where should we go now? Should we go the same way?
I'm gonna get this kitten to meow for me. Not you, bro.
My Discord kitten.
Okay. Alright.
You are my Discord kitten.
Okay. Alright. What the signal?
Why are you going so fast? Slow the fuck down, bro.
Sure, I've got faster arms than you. That's what happens when you go to the gym every single day.
I don't. I go riding horses. It's a lot harder. So I think they're just stuck. Let's go over here.
Please, I'll meow for you.
TV. What's up here?
Oh, fuck you.
Oh my god, get over here, bro.
Oh, fuck you. Actually, fuck you.
Get over here, you pussy.
I'm here. Nah, curse you. Fuck you, I hope you get fucked in the ass. I actually hope you get fucked. I hope somebody fucks you. Please. Please.
That's wild.
Where did you go? You left me.
I'm over here, you pussy ass bitch.
You left me.
Fucking
Oh my
pussy.
goodness. Oh,
Why are you such a scaredy-waredy, bro?
I don't like horror games.
I can tell.
What are you thinking? I fucking hate this.
I'm trying to find an entity that will chase us. This isn't.
Bro,
Come on.
don't you dare.
I won't.
Why? Because I got fast arms. Where the fuck did you go? Oh my goodness. Keep
Why? Because, like,
fucking
where'd you
leaving.
go? Where'd you go? Pookie Bear, where'd you go?
Pookie Bear?
Well, that's creepy.
Rex, stop moaning.
Oh my god!
What?
It's a camera.
Get it, girl. If you get it right, I'll meow for you. Get it right. Get it
Get
right.
what right? It's a camera.
The fuck? Oh.
What the fuck? It's a camera. I've never seen
shut
that
up.
before.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
What's
Dumbass.
down here even?
Oh, fuck. Fuck you. Oh, there's a palm tree.
Okay, it was just a palm tree. A palm tree was down there. Come on.
Oh, fuck.
Spooky, scary. Okay, where are we?
I can't see fuck all. There's no headlamp for me.
Now there is. Why does it sound more scarier than before? Where are you?
I don't know. I'm stuck, I think. Won't let me
Just
go
follow
through.
the way out, pussy.
I don't know. Come back to me. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know where back is.
No, I'm gonna meow. Stop this. Stop this. Please. Stop
I
this.
think I found back. There it is. Come on. Man, did I scare you?
No.
Okay, so
Where's
you
my
just go
headset?
down here. You just go down here and then kind of turn the corner and then your headset will be there. See, look.
What
Okay,
the
come
fuck? Down here.
Do you remember what way we went from?
Yes, down here. Yes, down here. Where? No, you fucking. I fucking heard that. You did some static ass shit. Please. Goodbye.
They're like not. Okay. Come on. Where should we adventure to? Down here. Let's go down here.
Oh fuck,
No,
where
we
have
already
you
went
gone?
down here. Where have you gone?
Shut up.
I want to go in there somehow. Whatever. It's
I don't like
whatever.
horror games. You forced me to play this.
Zuck's Cafeteria. Let's go in here.
I want food.
Okay. I'm the serving lady.
You're a guy.
No, I'm a girl.
You've got a joystick, pal.
What do you want?